Plus 96 FM, keeping real music alive. Black as Carmen and Fitzy here. Good morning, it's 8 after 7. And this morning we're joined by the Managing Director of Bluebay Home Loans, Don Crellin. Good morning, Don. Thanks for coming in, mate.
Good morning, thanks for having me.
This looks like a great idea. Parent Assist. It opens new doors for first home buyers. Now tell us obviously about it.
Look, certainly does. We developed the product on the back of a few things. We saw that kids were having a lot of trouble getting to their first home. With rental, all the other bills that they're paying can take up to five years to be able to save a deposit.
It's ridiculous.
We also knew that parents were helping their kids in probably half of all instances, either by informal loans or putting their own home up as guarantee for that, and actually putting their own home at risk. So this product was developed to be able to, have parents, a safe way to be able to help them.
I mean, it's great. I mean, they don't have to go guarantor, and that's the big thing. I remember when I was 25, my girlfriend at the time, wife now, and I, we built our first home. We borrowed $225,000 for the first home. So sorry about mentioning numbers at the moment, but we talked about having our parents go guarantor because we didn't have enough money, and we ended up working around it and my parents put in $5,000 and my wife's parents put in $5,000, and that's how we ended up getting. But none of that was a guarantee, and we've paid them back, many years ago. But that was the best thing we ever did. But now the median house price $530,000. So how can they possibly afford to do this?
Well, as I said, it is getting harder and harder with that median price. It's tipped in Perth to go up to $570 by the end of the year. So it does make it very, very difficult to save that deposit and get into the home.
And have you been hearing more and more cases of mums and dads actually saying, look, there's too many risk factors here, because it's not just the risk of losing their own home, there's also the fact that there could be a relationship breakdown in this child's life, or some other factor that stops them being able to pay off their home loan. Yeah,
look, I think that's a great thing with Parent Assist, and you talk about the breakdown in relationships, and with a formal structure sitting behind this, should that occur, Mum and Dad do have the protection for the money that they have in fact gifted the child.
Okay.
Now, we got you in because we heard about this and we thought it's a fantastic idea. We've either been in this position with our parents or as a parent over the years. So I think most parents will cover this off at some stage in their life where their kid goes to buy their first home, whether they do or don't help them out and how much they can and how much they can risk. So it's a risk-free way to do it, is it?
Absolutely, and sort of, with 4 kids of my own, it's one of those things that's certainly forefront of my mind, as it is, I'm sure, in a lot of parents' minds. So Parent Assist is there to be able to provide another alternative for that.
Really excellent stuff. I think we'll get a link put on our Facebook page.
Yeah, what a great, especially in Perth.
People can go and have a bit of a look at it too, which is just terrific. It's a great idea. Very good idea. Save an awful lot in mortgage insurance and stuff too, wouldn't you?
Absolutely. The larger deposit, the smaller the mortgage insurance fees. So that's a considerable saving for the child as well. So lots of benefits.
Managing Director of Bluebay Home Loans, Don Crellin. Mate, thanks for coming in. Appreciate that. That's going to be good news for an awful lot of people who thought that, I'm never going to be able to save a deposit.
Thank you very much.
Great stuff.
Thanks.